Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Group. Now we are going for lecture number 7 in number system. Okay, so in the lecture 6 we have done up to the 9 point. Now this is the 10th point in lecture number 7. This is divisibility rule. So there are a lot of questions asked in divisibility rule also. So let us see. The first point is what list number we should place at a star place. What list number we should place at a star place so that it become divisible by 2. So question is what list number we should place at a star place so that it become divisible by 2. Just like number is given, this is 5, 4, 6, 7, and here a star place. Option is given, suppose 1, 2, 3 and D all. So here question is what list number we should place at a star place so that it become divisible by 2. So technique is what कि any number is divisible by 2 when unit digit is. So technique is what any number is divisible by 2. Any number is divisible by 2 if unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So any number is divisible by 2 if unit digit is either 0, either 2, either 4, either 6 or 8. So here my question 5, 4, 6, 7 and here star place. So what number we should place here so that it is divisible by 2. So here 1 not my answer, here 2 this is my correct answer because 3 is also not correct, so all is not right answer. My correct answer is what? 2. In the same way, suppose second example, this is number 5, 4, 7, 8 and here given 2 and this is the star place. Option is given 1, option is given 2, option is given 3 and option is given all. So again my question is what is smallest number we should place at this star place so that it become divisible by 2. Okay, so my technique is what? If unit digit is divisible by 2, that unit digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here unit digit is already 2. So any number we put here, no problem, it will be divisible by 2. So here my answer is what? All of this. So any number we put here, it will be divisible because unit digit is 2. So simple technique, first you focus on unit digit. You check what is unit digit. If unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, anyone, then this number will be divisible by 2. Any number is written here. Okay, so here we can write any number. So my correct answer is what? All. So now you understood this technique. Any number is given, then how can it be divisible by 2? Only my focus is what? Unit digit. Unit digit should be either 0, either 2, either 4, 6 or 8. Now come to the next point. So next point is what what list number we should place at a star place so that it become divisible by 3. Just like example is given 5, 4, 3, 7, and this is a star place. Here given option 1, here given option 2, and here option given 3, and here option given none. Okay, so my question is what list number we should place at this star place so that it become divisible by 3, so question is 5, 4, 3, 7. So what is the technique for this type of the question? So technique is what? When sum of digit of given number is divisible by 3. Okay, so when sum of digit of given number is divisible by 3, then whole number will be divisible by 3. So now you see it is given 5, 4, 3, 7 star 1. So what number we should place here so that it is divisible by 3? My option is given 1, 2, 3 and 9. So for this type of question technique is what? First you add this number. So 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 and plus this is your star place, and this should be divisible by what? That is 3. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 7 that is 19. So we got what? 19 plus this is star place and this is what? 3. Now you see from option what number we add here so that it become divisible by 3. So if we will add here 1, so it become what? 19 plus 1 20. So 20 is not divisible by 3, so it is not our answer. If you will add 2, so 19 plus 2 is what? 21. And 3 7 are 21. So this is our correct answer. If we will add 3, it become 22. So 20 is not divided by 3, so it is not my answer. So my correct answer is what? 2. So for this type of question, you can use this technique. Is sum of the digit of given number should be divisible by 3. So first step is what? Add the given number 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 and plus your star place and divide by 3. So this is 19 plus star by 3. Now you can check. Okay. So I am giving the other example. See. So just like this is the next example. Suppose it is given 2, 3, 4 and here a star place and here 5. Okay. And here given A option 1, B option 2 and C option is what? 3 and D option is again none. So my question is same, what list number we should place at this place so that it become divisible by 3. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you add the given digit. So our given digit is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and then this is a star place. This should be divisible by 3. So this is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14. So this is what? 14 plus star place and divided by 3. Now we will check from option 14 plus 1 by 3. 15 by 3, that is 5. So 15 is divisible by 3, it is my correct answer. We will check for 2, 16 not divisible. For 3, 14 plus 3, 17 not divisible. So our correct answer is 1. So in this class we have already explained what this is divisibility rule by 2 and divisibility rule by 3. So any question comes for this type, you can solve very easily. In the next class, lecture number 8, we will discuss about the other digit number, how can we find that type of answers. Thank you.